guys, Puzzle Gamer. So today I'm going to show you how to do the fidget spinner with a Rubik's Cube. So let's do it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab it by this, from right here from the bottom middle and the top middle, and then on this corner right here on both ends, right here and right here. So with this hand, you want to spin this twice, and then spin it again to your right, and spin it to your left, and spin it to your right. Keep swinging it to your left and your right, 2 times each. And if you do it enough times, you should end up with a solved cube. Subscribe for more Rubik's Cube tricks, because I have not done a Rubik's Cube trick in a long time. I've been doing other videos, but I'm going to start doing more Rubik's Cube videos. So, Puzzle Gamer out, guys.